afternoon, everybody. This is Tony here from her Homestead Skills, and today I'm doing a video that I didn't expect to do at all, actually. One of my viewers suggested that things are still pretty rough as far as canning supplies in the U.S., so I thought I would take a little bit of a run to some of the shops in my neighborhood that normally have skid loads of jars. One of them being Walmart. I went to the local Walmart, and to my surprise, they had nothing. They had absolutely nothing. And this time of year, they normally have skid loads of jars sitting in the aisles, waiting for people to snap them up. So I took a few pictures of empty shelves, and I will post those. Unfortunately, they were with my cell phone, so some of them are a little bit blurry, but yeah, canning supply shortage has hit Canada. And to reinforce that, I went to another one of our local, very large, probably a competitor of Walmart's. They were here but way before Walmart ever showed up, years and years before. And they normally have quite a supply of canning jars and canning supplies, and their shelves were totally cleaned out as well. They did have 4 boxes of the jam jars, and they had 3 boxes, I believe, of the pint-sized jars, which is the same as the ones that I bought, just the new smooth Bernardin jars that are out this year, the new style that are out. They had 3 jars of those at over $12 a box, and I suppose the company where I bought mine didn't realize that there was a shortage and put a great big sale on, and I purchased mine for $7 a box. Yeah, that's why I ended up buying as much as what I did, because the price was right, and I could always use pint jars. And anyway, I'm a little curious about what was going on, so I decided to speak to, there were 3 of the cashier girls all huddled together talking about something, and I asked them what was happening with that store, because there was also shelves being rearranged and cleared off, and they said, "What, are you shutting down and selling the store? What's happening?" And she says, "No, they're renovating." And then I asked them about the canning jars. "Do you not have any canning jars? Normally you have quite a supply." And one of the girls offered that, well, apparently people are home these days and canning jars are like gold. And I asked, "So then you did get stock and you sold out?" She says, "Yes, we got stock and we sold out of every one of them except what you see on the shelves, those little ones." And I thought, oh my, so I guess the Canadians are also taking up canning again this year, to such a degree that, I mean, normally there are skid loads of jars on the shelves, and or on the floor, skid loads of them on the floor, ready to be bought this time of year, and there is nothing available. So either the shortage has hit here as well, or they're not restocking, and the supplies are being sold in the U.S. Who knows? We just know that, yes, there is a shortage here as well. So I guess I'm fortunate that I have managed to find the ones that I did when I did. Personally, I do tend to hoard jars all year, so I don't wait till the last minute when I need them. If I see something that's a good deal, I will pick it up. And I was very fortunate this year to have done so. So I have more than enough jars, more than lids. Actually, regular mouth lids, they're still available. Like, there is a dollar type store where I buy my regular mouth lids, and those are still available. Have no issue getting those at all. Wide mouth, a little more difficult, and they're a little bit more expensive, so I tend to not use the wide mouth jars unless the what I'm calling for is better suited to a wide mouth jar. So, or what I'm canning is better suited to being canned in a wide mouth jar. So, well, that's my update here. It looks like Canada's facing the same shortage that the US is. Woohoo. We aren't that different very often. Anyway, hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe, share, comment. Let me know what you think. And have a wonderful day.